There are the buses. We going in. Alright, we're at the park. Come on! About to go in.
Wow, the lady that we're in line for looks tired as all get out.
Hey, do you guys validate?
Vaughn's private office.
Motivation for me to escape. Ow! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Unrocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people.
Yeah.
Running.
You got clearance. Let's roll.
I know, I was out sick.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you.
I was minding my own business when this human child froze me with its telepathic control.
We quickly rendered the situation satisfactory.
Number one wants you humans decontaminated. Okay, well, lost it now.
Oh, goody. Another camera. Good thing I had my hair undone.
Alright, so we're heading back to the tower so we can go get a fast pass.
Welcome back, yellow train, exit to your left.
Go back and back. Face forward.
Maybe I'll get it bloody or something.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you ready, guys?
Alright, we're going back on the ride again.
New fast passes.
Gonna meet Groot. It's Groot. Yeah, big smile.
Thank you. Bye, Groot!
There it is. Finally. After like 20 tries.
All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Accomplish, space rangers. It's been an honor serving you.
Alright, we're getting off. Alright, gonna get some lunch. Alright, about to get back on the bus. Alright, so we got a new SD card. Oh, geez, it's all dirty. So we got another 4 hours of video. So have fun with that. Bam. Thank you. Alright, so we decided we're going to that go to. They'll ride like 15 minutes late.
We're gonna be buttheads.
Yeah, so we're going to get a fast pass for space. Oh, it's Peter Pan. Oh, upside down. Okay, on to Matterhorn finally. Like flying. Hold on, GoPro. Jesus. I'm filming something. Not sure if it's like a Make-A-Wish kind of thing or...
We knew the same passes that we have.
Alright, it's DCA. Thank you. Y'all never seen two of them before, but there's actually two trolleys. Whoa!
No, they have that.
Neither did I.
Groot's still out.
Groot is not out.
Thank you.
It's purple? Whoa. There you go. Did you want to wait for it after this?
Maybe.
Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Presto. The door's open for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Terrence of all ages, Tanalier Tavan, the collector.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends.
Alright, going to Paradise Pier.
Welcome back.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Ready?
1. Scream!
Alright, the line's getting crazy. Thank you.
And presto. Scan complete.
Congratulations
You
on
may
your
now enter the gantry list.
Not really you, right?
Punch you and start things rocking.
I know.
Show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay.
There's Groot again. Alright, we're leaving DCA, heading to Disney now. We're going through this. Oh, yeah, those ones on the top we can. Guess that one's empty. Oh wait, no, here it goes. Alright, about to get on Space Mountain.
Not like when we were in New Orleans and you said we're in New Zealand.
Located directly in front of you. Prepare for launch. Pull the platform toward you.
Okay, we figured out a plan, I believe. We're gonna go hit Teacups and then
Hit the
Indiana
fast,
for
yeah.
Fast for Indiana, and then we're gonna head back over here and hit Star Tours and then go eat dinner, I think. Hello.
Hi.
What do you think?
I think it's hard to turn.
The ducks are taking over. Right, we got my spaghetti, she got her fettuccine. Okay, so we're leaving Disney. Gonna head to DCA and go get in line for Tower.
I thought someone called my name, that was weird. Recognize me from YouTube? Oh, hello, I know.
Oh yeah. My gosh, it's the Tower. 60 minutes. I'm guessing it's actually 60 minutes. Well, we started to move, now we stopped moving. Almost inside. It's been like an hour.
This line is ridiculous.
On today's tour, you will be allowed to find
Just like me, Seth.
stories for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold them.
Oh man, we're the first ever to ride.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy.
Alright, we're about to leave DCA, head to Disneyland, and get a fast pass and stuff, you know. Thank you. Alright, well, Lex just saw her YouTuber friend. Well, not her friend, but you know.
I was gonna go say hi, but we can't get over there.
So now we're just gonna go get our fast passes on ride shit.
Why'd she have to be like blocked?
That is until about a century ago when a visionary came to our islands.
Yeah, we're about to enter Haunted Mansion. And we got churros now.
Into the dead center of the gallery.
Your cadaverous gallery betrays an aura of foreboding. Of course, there's always mine.
So this guy just gave us his fast passes for Splash Mountain, which you can't really see.
For actually right now.
Which is pretty crazy and nice.
Because we were actually about to get on it, but now we don't even have to wait. Some people are so nice. Here we go!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!